Okay, so this is the front bar prior to any treatment. It's just as it is. I've just parked the car. I've just got everything ready to remove the front bar. Now we're going to give it a wash. We're going to give it a wipe and then see how good it comes up. Okay, so we've released the front bumper from the car. It's looking pretty good. So I'm basically, I'm just going to wipe down every surface with sugar soap and dry it off so it's clean. And then the next step is to use the Meguiars Ultimate Protectant and see if I can restore the bumper. These are the dirty rags and things. I've just used the sugar soap wipes just to remove any sort of dust and grime and things like that. And you can see a fair bit has come off already. I mean, the bar is looking a bit cleaner now. And just the driver's lights in there and the front step, everything's just got a quick wipe down. I even did the front grille. It's nothing special at the moment, but the real test is going to be when we use the plastic restorer, Meguiars. And there's a shot of the front of the car. So I've applied the first coat, and the reason that I'm showing this rag and this glove is because look how clean the rag is when I've put the Meguiars on the bumper. What it goes to show is what you need to do is preparation beforehand. You need to clean everything beforehand. That's why I used the sugar soap to clean everything first, so no dirt or anything was on the bumper. You can see how shiny my glove is, how much shine it brings out, this product does. So the rag is clean because the bumper is clean, and I've done the preparation beforehand. Okay, so let's look at the bumper. This is after the first coat. It says on the label to do 2 or 3 coats, so I might do, by the looks of things, I might do 2 or 3 coats, and I'll probably use the whole container for the front bumper. I've been putting it on pretty thick and rubbing it in really well, but you can see that it's coming up pretty shiny. Obviously, this hasn't been through any rain or anything like that. I haven't tried to wash the car or anything like that. So for the first coat, it's coming back pretty clean. The rag is pretty clean. So the bumper, it has come up a lot cleaner and a lot shinier. And I've just tried to do the other parts in here. After the first coat, so far so good. Okay, you guys, this is after I've applied the second coat to the bumper, and this is the rag after I've finished applying. I've probably gone through about halfway, or maybe even 3/4 of this product. I reckon about halfway I've used of it, half the container. So it was $20 for the container, and I've used about half of it. So it's come to about $10 to do this job. You can see the rag's really clean. Look at my gloves, how shiny they are. It's got like a waxy sort of consistency to it. And now let's look at the bumper after the second coat. And to be honest with you guys, I think 2 coats is enough. I'm going to shine some light on there. If you can see, I mean, it is a reflective surface. I'm still a bit of a skeptic at the moment. Is it really restoring the plastic, or is it just applying a sort of a waxy coat to it, or a waxy finish? So I don't know if you can see it now, but after the second coat, it has come back. It's very clean. It's very glossy. But when you wipe your finger on it, I don't know if you can see it there. If I put any more of the product on the bumper bar, it's just going to be applying wax on top of wax. I don't think it's going to bring any more benefit. It might even start creating problems if I just have too much of a thick coat. I have been putting it on and really scrubbing it in. I haven't just lightly tried to buff it. I haven't buffed it. It's been really scrubbed into it. So it has come up a lot better. So what do you guys think? Not bad for a $10 restoration job. A bit of time and effort. And the truth will really be told once I go out in the rain or wash the car. We'll get the bumper dirty. We'll see how long this lasts for. I mean, if you're a car enthusiast and you like just spending a bit of time with your car, it's probably just worth the money, you know, it's not too bad. This was just an experiment for me to see how well that it would turn up. I'm a skeptic about restoring plastic. I don't know how far you can actually restore plastic or make it come back to brand new, but it has been interesting to see what happens. And like I said, I could try applying a third coat, but it's on pretty thick at the moment, and I think if I put any more on the top, it's actually going to be counterproductive. So yeah, there you go. I think the key points I have here is make sure you clean the bumper first with sugar soap or something that's some sort of cleaner, and then make sure you put in more than one coat, maybe 2 coats, maybe you need 3 coats, and make sure you really scrub it in. Okay guys, and there we have it. The bumper's on, it's been cleaned down. This is with 2 coats of the Meguiars Restorer. Is it worth it? Well, I mean, I'm a skeptic, but it was a good experiment. And I mean, if I do the whole car, we've got all the plastic trimming along here. Maybe we can bring it back to restoration. Just put the light on here for difference.